In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Bitcoin transaction ID in your Coinbase account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for the transaction hash, also called the TXID, so you can track a payment, share details with support, or confirm a transfer on the blockchain. Start by opening your Coinbase app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that the app is updated, since menus can shift slightly with new versions. If you use notifications or biometrics, those will help you get in quickly. Next, log into your account. Complete any security checks, such as a verification code, if prompted. These security layers are normal and help protect your funds, so take a moment to pass them before moving on. Once you're in, head to your transaction history. In Coinbase, this is typically labeled Activity, History, or Recent Transactions, and you'll find it from the main dashboard. If you see a list of assets first, you can enter Bitcoin and view the related transactions from there. Either way, you're looking for the screen that shows a timeline of what you've sent, received, or converted. From that list, choose the specific Bitcoin transaction you care about and tap it to open the details. Be sure you're selecting a transaction that actually took place on the Bitcoin network, especially if you also hold other cryptocurrencies or stablecoins. The detail page should show the date, amount, status, such as pending or completed, and network information. Now locate the transaction hash. In Coinbase, it may be labeled transaction ID hash or TXID. This is a long string of letters and numbers that uniquely identifies your transfer on the Bitcoin blockchain. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the details. It's often listed under network details or blockchain information. When you find it, copy it by tapping the copy icon or by pressing and holding the text until the copy option appears. Make sure you capture the entire string without extra spaces. That's it. You now have the Bitcoin transaction ID. This ID is public information and is safe to share when you need help confirming a payment. You can paste it into a reputable Bitcoin blockchain explorer to view confirmations, the amount, the sending and receiving addresses, and the transaction status. If the transfer is still pending, give it time for confirmations to accumulate on the network. To recap, open the Coinbase app, log in, go to your transaction history, select the Bitcoin transaction, and copy the transaction hash. Keep it handy for tracking and support, and you'll always know exactly where your funds stand.